And we're still here in Honor store in One Ayala. And ito yung Honor Pad 10. Bagong labas din ito ni Honor. Feature na rin din natin with an SRP of 17,999 with keyboard, 15,999 without the keyboard. So check na rin natin ito. So heto, Honor Pad 10. Paganda ng kanyang specs, it's a Snapdragon 7. Pero anyway, no, before we do the hands-on test, discuss ko muna sa inyo yung tech specs nito, no? Alright, pasok, tech specs.
Alright everybody, ito na yung tech specs ni Honor Pad 10. For the display, meron siyang 12.1 inches sa TFT LCD screen at meron siyang 88% screen to body ratio. At meron siyang 500 nits peak brightness at 2560 by 1600 na resolution, 120 Hz refresh rate, 2.5K resolution, at meron siyang Honor Eye Comfort display. So sa 12.1 inches, malaki-laki na rin din siya, no, for a tablet, at covered siya 88% yung kanyang screen to body ratio, which is very good. At for the body naman niya, for the weight, meron siyang 525 grams, medyo may kabigatan ng konti. At parang composed, siguro mga 4 na phone siguro, no, I think so. At meron siyang 6.29mm na thickness. Medyo manipis na rin din siya. For the CPU, gumagamit siya ng Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 mobile platform. This is octa-core. At ang kanyang OS is Magic OS 9.0 na Android 15. At for the memory, ito yung memory niya, 8GB of RAM and a 256GB of storage. So I think, I'm not sure kung expandable to, no? At for the camera, for the rear camera, gumagamit siya ng 8MP na may 2.0 aperture at meron siyang autofocus. At for the front camera, 8MP at 2.2 aperture. That's the camera, no? For the battery naman, malaki yung battery specs nito, napaka-interesting, no? 10,100 mAh na battery na meron 35 watts na Honor Supercharge. Mabilis pang charge siya, 35 watts, pwede na rin din. Other specs ni Honor Pad 10, ang Wi-Fi niya is 2.4 at 5 GHz. Bluetooth is 5.3 at USB Type-C port siya. Take note pala, no, wala tong SIM card. This is only Wi-Fi. At meron siyang 6 speakers na Honor Spatial Audio. At for the AI naman, may mga AI features siya like the AI Honor Notes, AI Voice Note Sync, AI Notes Assistant, AI Writing Tools, Honor Connect, and Honor Choice Pen support. Pwede rin siya. So, I mean, meron siyang it can support the Honor Choice Pen. So, pwede kang mag-pen dito sa Honor Pad 10 na to, no? At ang available color niya is only gray. At for the SRP is 15,899. 15,899. That's the unit only. At pag may kasamang smart keyboard daw, it's 17,899, which is available in all Honor stores. Sa Shopee, Lazada na rin din at TikTok shop ni Honor Philippines. So, if you're interested, go check it out. And also sa aking YouTube shopping, may link tayo dyan. Just click it and it will direct to you sa Shopee page ni Honor Philippines. Alright, let's move on na to the hands-on test. So, okay, pasok.
Alright, napanood nyo na yung tech specs, no? So, let's check the Honor Pad 10, which is Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 siya. Grabe. So, check natin to. Ano ba yung tsura nito pag naka-close? Alright. Ito yung tsura niya. Ganda ng camera. I guess isa lang camera lang yan. Isa lang yung camera, may dami siya dun sa kabila para balance yung design. So may casing siya. Para siyang mas malaki siya sa X9. X9A. Ito yung X9A. Meron ako nito eh. Maliit lang pala. Ito mas malaki. 12 inches. Alright, late reaction tayo dun ha. So check na natin. Oh my god, ang laki. My god. Ganda ng keyboard, almost same design as the X9A. At kung comparison natin to, no? Ito siya. Oh, grabe. Oh, liit. So this is a 11.5 inches. Ito naman 16 inches. So, okay, surf na natin to, no? Settings. About the tablet. 8GB plus 8GB, 16GB of RAM. 256GB of storage. Ayan. 10,100 milliampere at Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 mobile platform. Alright. So, ganda ng screen. Grabe. Ganda ng screen. Very responsive. Sana wala siyang, meron silang wifi. No? Let's go to, for example, YouTube. YouTube. Siyempre, tayo sa, test natin yung kanyang keyboard. Siyempre, tayo sa akin. Uy, gumagana yung keyboard. Oh. Azrael Coladilla, lumalabas siya ang aking channel. And ito yung video ko, yung Raptor. Lumalabas dito. Hanap tayo ng maayos-ayos na video. Which is, yeah, for example, may vlogging ko sa Unok Island at meron pang ads. Antayin natin matapos yung ads. Testingin din natin yung speaker kung malakas. Medyo mahina pa, mahina. Okay, enable. Ito na. Oops, nangyari. Video enhancer daw. So, here's my video. Full screen natin. That's 1080. Lakas ng speaker, grabe. Wow. And that's me. Ang lakas ng screen. Loading a 720 pa lang yan, ha. So, tayong parang 4K video. Medyo maingay. Skip na natin yan. Kasi maingay doon sa Unok Island eh. Loading pa rin siya. Pwede siyang wifi nila dito. Oh. Yan. Grabe. So that's the YouTube. Try natin yung keyboard. And we are here sa notes. Getting started. Okay. Huwag yan. Okay, mali. Handwritten. Meron pala itong pen pala, no? May pen pala ito pagka gumagamit ka ng Honor pen. Pwede yan. Type notes. How do I... ito na. Type notes tayo. No notes. Ayan. So, pwede. Maganda yung keyboard niya. Very responsive. Hi guys. I'm Azrael. Alright, approve ang keyboard. And for the camera, check out yung camera. Portrait mode pa to. And here's the photo. Here's the video. Okay to pang video. Ay, medyo okay na rin din yun siya. 1080p, 30 fps. Yes, 1080p. For the rear camera, may rear camera siya syempre. It is also 1080p. Ayan. Okay na siya for video conference. Nothing fancy about it. And I guess that's it for our hands-on test with the Honor Pad 10. At wala yung ating way on how to feature this tablet kasi wala tayong unit at grabe, 12.1 inches. Ito rin nakayanan natin for promoting Honor devices. Alright! So, thank you guys for watching at kita-kits tayo sa next video.